this week we've been really focusing on the IELTS Task 1 writing, doing the line graphs. So we would get a question something like this: the consumption of energy. We'd have a few different categories. We'd have some kind of measurement on this side, and we'd usually have years or some kind of time across the bottom here. So we are struggling with ways to get some variety in our writing. So we were looking at a very basic way. We can form the sentence either using an adjective and a noun, or we can use a verb and an adverb. So the exact same sentence, there was, for example, there was a significant increase in the consumption of, for example, coal. The exact same sentence, we can turn it around and say something like the category and a verb and an adverb. Remember, the adverb's normally going to finish in an ly. So, for example, if we use the same one, coal consumption increased significantly. So you notice here there's the noun form, here it's the verb form. The verb is a regular verb, but it's in the past tense because we are looking into the past. And we get higher points by explaining how did it change, so it increased significantly. So that's the basic sentence. We can do it this way as an adjective and a noun, or we can do it this way as a verb and an adverb. That's a fairly short basic sentence. So here we could add something like a time. Ideally we want to start explaining like in this time there was a period of fluctuations followed by a sharp upward trend, followed by it plummeted. It rose again sharply, and then we had another period of fluctuations. But we can start adding on the end of the sentence there, we can put in the time clause, something like between 1990 and 2000 this happened, or we could say something like from 2000 onwards, meaning to the end of the time in the graph. If we wanted to though, we could change these ones into a capital. And we could then put this little time clause here at the beginning of the sentence. So now, between 1990 and 2000, there was a significant increase in the consumption of coal. Yes, I've got the word consumption there, so I can't have it there, sorry. Or I could say here, so from 2000 onwards, coal consumption increased significantly. Obviously, I changed that to a lowercase. So this week we've done a lot of work on the task 1 writing. It's not as popular anymore. The map question has become far more popular, but this one up until last year has been the most popular question. So, thank you.